Final product which I have also showcased in my previous video is this jojoba oil. I really wanted to get an jojoba oil for such a long time, and this comes at 420 rupees. It is pretty affordable, and it consists of cold pressed jojoba oil alone, and it has no other preservatives and anything. Shelf life of this is only 8 months, and I absolutely love this. As you all know that jojoba oil is one of the best oils to apply onto your face if you are having an acne prone or combination skin, and this is really a blessing for the oily skin people who can't use the coconut oil or the other avocado oil or the other all the oils which are available in the market. So this is a one which you can definitely go for. Just because it comes at a very affordable price, I think you should definitely try this out. I have tried this out on my face. I use it to cleanse my face. I use it sometimes as an additional oil to my cream at night, and I have already showcased in my daily skincare routine. I have been using this for almost 3 weeks now, and I absolutely love this oil.